Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Hello everyone, welcome to this new video. So inshallah ta'ala, in this video we will practice reading and writing in the Arabic language. This video is for beginners who want to start learning the Arabic language from the scratch. So let's get started with the first letter. The letter Ta. The letter Ta. We put fatha, ta, ta, ta. And then the next letter, it's the letter Ain. Very good job. We put kasra, I. And then the letter Ba. The letter Ba. We put fatha, ba. Now let's try to connect those letters together. Okay? The first letter, the letter Ta, in the beginning, we put fatha, ta. And then the letter Ain. This is the middle form of the letter Ain. Remember with me, okay? Okay, this is Ainun in the center. Okay? We put kasra, I, ta, ta'i, ta'i, and then the last letter, the letter Ba. We put fatha, ba, ta'iba, ta'iba. Very good job. And this is mean he was tired. Okay? He was tired. This is the meaning of ta'iba. Okay? Ta'iba. Very good job. So we come to the end of this video. Hope you like it and see you inshallah ta'ala in the next videos. مع السلامة.